On our 7th day here in Nagoya, we're going to the Noritake Garden. But first, we're going to that famous coffee shop that Reina, the front desk, Coco Hotel front desk, told us about. Sikat daw dito yan sa Nagoya. So, tignan natin kung magugustuhan namin. Lakad-lakad lang. Oh, ganda ng mga houses nila. May mga flowers on the side. Thanks to Google Map, we're here after 8 minutes of walking. Tama nga yung sinabi nila, mahaba na daw ang pila. Ito yan, it's a small cafe, pero pinupuntahan talaga siya. It's called Coffee House Kako. Sobrang lamig ngayon, hindi siya ginawin, no? Pero nag-hoodie na. Sobrang nakapasok na kami. Maliit lang yung lugar. Kaya pila talaga. Ayan.
カシスバナナとパイナップル、オレンジマーマレード、キウイ、ワイキシ。
Finish 2,950. Mahal ha. Okay, for the experience, I like it. But we were just surprised. Mali lang yung information that I got. So you order a coffee separate from the breads that they have, pero masarap yung bread nila, yun yung toast nila. Sikat yun with red bean. I like it so much. Yun lang, parang mamamahalan ka kasi nga, well, it's a specialty, I think. I like it. It's small, mahaba ang pila, ayan, no. For the experience, yes, I like it. Yung coffee though, the geisha at 900, parang, okay, it's just parang tsaa nga siya, halos walang lasa. But the breads, the toast, yes, I like it. If you wanna try also, why not? Artisanal din siguro talaga ito kaya mahal. For the experience, yes. But for the price, baka hindi niyo masyadong gustuhan. But I like it. Okay lang siya. Masarap naman.